Welcome to 4074 Virginia Rail Drive. This transitional style home offers 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths plus 1 half bath with 3,442 square feet. The covered entry is a welcoming greeting for guests. The entry is spacious. Hardwood floors warm the space. Transom window, side lights, and the window in the door fill the room with natural light. Notice the open flow into the dining room to the right, as well as back to the family room, left of the stairs. The spacious dining room offers a beautiful floor-to-ceiling window for natural light and lovely neighborhood view. The family room, with new carpet, offers plenty of space to gather and relax. Enjoy views out to the private backyard through the floor-to-ceiling windows. The stacked stone, gas fireplace is the centerpiece of the family room. Here you see the open flow from the family room into the kitchen and foyer. Adjacent to the family room is the eat-in kitchen and light-filled sunroom. This will be your favorite spot in the home, offering serene wooded backyard views, abundant natural light, and French doors leading to the patio. Casual dining and open kitchen are perfect for the busiest of lifestyles. The hardwood floors flow through the kitchen, casual dining, and sunroom. With abundant storage and countertops around the perimeter, this kitchen also offers a center island for seating, workspace, and storage. Just steps down from the sunroom French doors is a spacious backyard patio, perfect for grilling, outdoor dining, and entertaining. The home is situated on 0.61 beautifully landscaped acres. The backyard is tree-lined for privacy. There is plenty of yard space for play, entertaining, and more. Relax with the serene wooded privacy. Back inside, the conveniently located main floor laundry, with outside and garage access, will serve as the perfect mudroom. The owner's suite features beautiful windows with second-floor views of the backyard. The windows are finished with plantation shutters. Relax and unwind in a private bedroom sitting area that opens to the private ensuite bath and walk-in closet. The owner's ensuite bath offers a jetted soaking tub. Glass block window fills the room with natural light. The tiled walk-in shower includes a full bench.